In-class differentiated teaching strategies can be effectively implemented using the HiTeach Differentiation Module. This tool allows teachers to design teaching materials tailored to varying student abilities and learning motivations, differing in difficulty, content, and volume. These activities can be conducted for the whole class, specific groups, or individuals. To illustrate this, let's look at an example using different answers in Example File E05. After opening the file from the textbook resource area and starting the class, invite your students to connect. From the right toolbar, select the IRS Single-Choice function. Using a well-known psychological test questionnaire as an example, ask students to choose their favorite bread scent. Once everyone has submitted their selection, press the bar graph button to view the results. From here, we will perform a differentiated push. On the first bar graph option, select the differentiated push function to send the answer analysis from page 4. Repeat this process for the second, third, and fourth bar graphs, pushing the corresponding analysis from pages 5, 6, and 7. Once students receive these options, they can click on the Classroom History area to view the specific psychometric analysis for the item they selected. This allows you to provide instant, relevant feedback to every student simultaneously, based on the options they selected.